How to save ChatGPT chats as PDF. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can do this. So the very first thing you're going to have to do is simply go ahead and open up your ChatGPT. And then from here, what you can do is click on the share option. Once you get to your chat, click on the share option at the top. And then from here, you have an option to create a link. But in order to download this as PDF, you can either download any extensions from Chrome Web Store. But if you don't want to do that, then what you can do this is ask ChatGPT itself. So you can ask it to give me a PDF file and then hit enter. And it will give you a PDF file based on the chat that you've previously had and create a PDF file for that. It will take a while, just wait for a bit. And then once the file is ready, it will give you the file which is ready for download. So as you can see here, it has provided me with this PDF file. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on it. And the PDF file has been downloaded. So let me just open it up. And as you can see here, this has neatly included all of the points that I've had in the previous conversation as a PDF file. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you, and I'll catch you on the next one.